Welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight I'm going to cook some salmon patties in my George Foreman grill. So we're going to get this grill ready to go. I have some bumblebee pink salmon, the can of salmon. We need 3 tablespoons of diced up onions. We need a little bit of flour. You can use 1 tablespoon. Sometimes you might need 2. And you're also going to use flour to sort of pat them in before you put them on the grill. And we're going to use 1 egg. Beat up 1 egg real good. And we're going to use a ½ a tablespoonful of Old Bay seasoning. And make sure you do not forget this. We'll need 3 tablespoons of onions and 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to beat up our egg. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of onions, and I've got them diced up. Just put them right on in there with your egg. You need to cut up no more than what you need. We need 1 tablespoonful of this flour. And I've just got all-purpose, Pillsbury all-purpose flour. A ½ a tablespoonful of Old Bay spice. And 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce. This is one of those recipes you don't need to overthink. It's something very simple. Let's get all this stirred together. And we have our George Foreman grill. I plug that in, so that will be getting warm. In the meantime, I'm going to open my salmons. Pretty good where I can handle it, I think. And you just make a cake the size that you want. And if you should get this too thick, all you got to do is take some of the juice that you had poured off to start off with, and make it a little bit wetter. I'm not going to cook such big patties today. Now, if you will just put a little flour on top of it, not a whole lot, but just where you can manage it. You do not spray your George Foreman with any kind of spray. They say it ruins the finish or something on it. In the book I got, it says do not use any kind of spray on your grill. I have sprayed the meat on it before, but not the actual grill. Looks like I'm going to have 5 out of that can. Do it around in your flour till it gets to where you can manage it. And we're going to close the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, I had set my timer. I just forgot to show you I had set my timer, and it's just gone off. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. So I'm going to open them up and flip them over a little bit. And since they look so dry, I'm just going to spray them just a little bit not the grill, just the patty with canola oil. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. And this time I am showing you I'm setting my timer. And this time when they get through, they should be done. It is really a simple meal. It's just the idea of getting all your ingredients together. So you need your salmon, 3 tablespoons full of chopped onion, flour. Start off with a tablespoonful. And like I say, if it's not enough, add some more. If it makes it too dry, then add some of the juice, because you drain your salmon, and save your juice until you get through. And 1 egg beaten, 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/2 tablespoonful of Old Bay seasoning, because they say that's what really makes the flavor. Put it in your George Foreman, cook it for approximately 10 minutes, and you're done. Okay, my timer is going off. It's been cooking an additional 5 minutes. So we're just going to see what we have. Oh, they look very good. Very, very good. So let's cut into one and see what we've got. Looks very good. Now this afternoon, while I was thinking about doing this, I made some coleslaw. So I'm going to have some coleslaw. And I cooked a biscuit. So this is my dinner. I have salmon patties, some coleslaw, and a biscuit. I will either eat it just like that, but more than likely I'm going to open this biscuit and put this salmon patty in this biscuit. And that is so simple to make. It is just really nothing to it. You can make them thicker, and if you don't have a George Foreman grill, you can cook them on the stove. But again, it's nothing but salmon patties and coleslaw. Give me your comments. Come back to see me. Join my channel. And just have a fantastic day.